Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of cooking lessons, and we're going to learn how to make a delicious and nutritious lentil soup. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to gather our ingredients. For our lentil soup, we'll be using lentils, salt, and carrots. We'll also need some water and a bit of olive oil. Now, let's start cooking. First, we'll heat up some olive oil in a pot. Once it's hot, we'll add our chopped carrots and sauté them until they're soft. Then, we'll add our lentils and sauté them for a few more minutes. This will help to bring out their flavor. Next, we'll add some water to the pot, along with a pinch of salt. We'll bring the mixture to a boil, and then reduce the heat to a simmer. We'll let it cook for about 20 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. Once the lentils are cooked, we'll turn off the heat and let the soup sit for a few minutes. This will give the flavors a chance to melt together. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy lentil soup, perfect for a chilly day or a cozy meal. Thank you for joining me in this cooking lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this tasty soup. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, happy cooking!